A quick 3-minute tutorial on creating a beautiful cover for your journal using canva.com. We're going to start by clicking on the whiteboard icon in the center of the screen. It's good to go ahead and name your project. It makes it easier to find when you're going through the creative process. Select Resize and select the size of your project. We now have our project canvas. Open a second Canva window and name it Playground. Use this to create individual items and then copy and paste to your main project. Click on the Resize tab again and select your project size. And now we have our creative playground canvas. This is one of my journals. I use black, gold, and silver in tones. As you can see, there are many layers, images upon images, to create something new. This is another one of my journals. There's also one for children. Again, many layers to create the final product. Clicking on Element to the far left of your screen, we're going to select a background to build off of. As you can see, I have selected a gray background and have added some smoky black and gold, which I cropped from a larger image. You can change the color and in some images fade or even remove the background, or position an image in front or behind another image to create an effect. We continue to add elements to achieve the look we want. We now add several flowers. You can add a twinkle of light. I selected this light, duplicated and overlapped it, and then slightly rotated it to give it the effect that I wanted. We add our leaves. These images are bits and pieces of a larger image. I position them behind other images to give this effect. We add gold glitter, more flowers, golden stems, and we have the cover of one of my journals. I hope this has inspired you to create your own.